fork in the garbage disposal. Let's do the fork in the garbage disposal. Ding 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 ding.
Hey, cupcakes! It's me, Lorna, and what you just saw right there was horror, pure horror.
Am I looking at the camera?
Yeah. Wait. Now you are. Wait. Now you are.
Hello, camera.
Sing hello from the other side. What was that? Hello from the other side.
Hey.
Do you like my singing voice?
Hey.
Huh? Ah! Okay.
Hey.
That's worse. Alright, do you want to hide or seek?
Let's do the...
Do you want to hide or seek? Tell me, boy.
I want to hide.
You want to hide? Alright, then I'll just seek you and then kill you, so go hide. Okay, go hide.
Go 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Gonna just stare at the floor.
Let's do the
Hello
fork
from
in...
the other side.
Let's do a fork in the...
I'm torturing people right there.
No, that's your normal voice.
No, it's not. I don't sing like that.
Hello from-
Everyone knows I don't, because in one of my videos I sang.
Terribly.
My fire powers.
Hey.
It's not blaze powder, it's fire powers. It's my fire blaze
Sure, kid, sure.
thing.
Sure, kid.
Use your imagination. Oh, it's already past 30 seconds.
Oh, well, I'm in trouble.
Oh, well, now I'm in trouble. Alright. Let's see here. Where are you? No one wants to hear you chewing. Spit out that gum.
No.
God, I sound like a stinging teacher. Spit out that gum! JD, you're not crouching. I can't see your name tag.
You don't know where I am.
Yes, I do.
I'm not in the house.
I know. You're on the roof.
I'm not.
Where are you?
Nowhere.
Nowhere. I see your name, dark. I see your name. I found you. Ow! Oh, God, I'm deaf. I'm deaf. Oh, I am deaf.
I rage quit.
Oh, you left? I just killed you.
I'm just kidding, I did.
Oh, okay.
My name is Annoyed Puppy.
You are an adenoid puppy.
Adenoid.
Alright. Come back to the boat.
Enjoy.
Oh, God, I'm deaf in my right ear now. I
Yeet.
cannot hear.
Yeet.
Yeet. Yeet. What is wrong with this?
This shit is empty.
Get over your balls.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Oh, why is that so funny? Okay, now I'm gonna hide.
Give me the... Oh, I love you. I love you so much.
Me?
No,
I knew you loved your big sister. I'm your favorite sister, huh?
I was talking to the sword.
Oh.
No, get out my way!
Okay. Alright. Stare at the floor, or I will push you into the ocean.
No, look where I'm gonna go.
I will push you into the ocean.
You can't come here.
The ocean. Okay, I'm gonna go hide. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I can't see anything. You can look at my screen. I can't see anything.
Okay.
All I can see is plain wall.
Okay. Don't look in real life. Okay, where am I gonna hide? Okay.
And a headphone set.
I wish. Okay.
I wish.
I wish.
Tell me what's time to look at you. Can I go now?
Not yet.
3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm coming for you.
Okay. Oh, I have a good hiding spot. You're probably still gonna find me though. With my luck, you're gonna find me.
No, it's my skill.
Yeet. Yeet. What's wrong with this?
I know where you are.
No, you don't.
I know where you are.
Where am I?
You're in the meeting room.
We're recording!
Who's in the meeting room?
See, I was just telling my friend the other day that most of my videos have me saying we're recording, or I'm recording, because my mom's always like, Lorna, and when I'm recording, I was like, I'm recording, so I can't stop the dang video.
Ding, 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 ding.
Oh yeah, that was completely
I
random.
love it.
We just watched that video like before we started recording, so then we just like, okay, we need to add that to this episode because that'd be great.
Are you in that?
Speaking of episodes, the next episode of Land of the Princess is coming out tomorrow, so that's gonna be great. No.
Are you
Oh,
in
you ain't gonna find me, boy.
Are you in Do Not Enter?
No.
I farted.
We're recording!
See?
See? Yeah, see what I mean, guys?
Oh, I know where you are.
Oh, no, you don't.
Am I near you?
It's starting nighttime. It's gonna be harder to find me.
How do you know that? Are you there?
No, I don't.
I see you.
No, you don't.
You weren't crouching.
Yes, I am.
Let's do the fork in the garbage dispenser. Ding, 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 ding.
What is wrong with us?
What's wrong with the Matrix?
Everything.
Forks.
Forks. Let's do the fork and the garbage disposal.
You have to give me a hint. You have to give me a hint. If you ask for a hint, you have to give them one.
There's a lot of grass.
That's that word. Oh, I know where you are.
No, you don't. Trust me.
You
don't.
think I do?
Because there's lots of grass everywhere.
No, but I know where there's most.
And I can see a purple flower. A purple flower from here. A very pretty purple flower. And I just got out of crouch for a second. Oops. What'd you say? Huh, Balt?
Shit, Duffy muffins.
We hear you try to curse, boy.
Oh, I know where you are.
No, you don't.
I know where you are.
No, you don't.
I think I do.
You're just trying to scare me. Yeah, well, it's not gonna work, okay?
No,
It's not gonna work.
I for real think
It's not gonna work.
You couldn't have gone far.
It's not gonna. Oh, I see your net tag.
I know where you are.
No, 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 no,
Am I walking away?
no, you're coming closer.
Are you inside of that area?
Oh, ah! Ball, you're passing me. Balls, I'm not in there. Balls, I'm your favorite sister, right? Right. Wait. Okay, wait. Before you kill me, I'm gonna tell you something. So, you see this firepower? Run! Ah! Ah! No!
I opened it too.
I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna go! Oh, he's in front of me! Are you following me on the tree? I'm getting so tense! No! Oh, look, someone's Twitter. Follow them.
I farted. I farted.
Okay,
So,
then.
want to go for another round of you trying to find me?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Where are you?
No, go towards the boat. To the boat, you blind man! Why are you skipping? Like a little princess. Give me the sword!
You come good, trying to come.
Give me the sword, Bolt! No, it's gonna fall in the ocean!
No, it's not.
Bolt, don't you dare. Phew.
I almost grabbed it.
Where'd you go?
I'm right behind you.
Okay. Hide in 3, 2, and
3, 1. 3, 1.
1.
Just so you know, if you ask, I have to answer.
Okay, guys, let's watch me defeat the Bolt.
The ball.
The Bolt.
That just means I'm awesome.
The Bolt.
Is awesome.
The Bolt sucks. Look at the moon, guys. It's so pretty.
Ding 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 ding.
Oh, please don't. but guys, look at this beautiful moon. Let me see if I see it.
My moon?
What?
I just mooned.
Ah! No. Oh, it's already passed. Alright. I'm coming for you, Bolt.
You think that scared me?
Wait, my scariest voice. I'm I'm coming for you, Bolt.
Oh my god, this sounds like an idiot.
I'm coming for you, Bolt.
Do you know where I am?
Because I just saw your dang name tag, boy. Well, I don't know the exact location, but I saw it around here. Am I getting closer?
No.
I'm coming closer, looking underneath your bed, but you're not here, I wonder. Could you be inside the closet?
You're not getting closer at all.
Oh. Guys, this is not my real sea voice. Getting closer, looking underneath your bed, but you're not here, I wonder. Could you be inside the closet? Okay, my voice sounds really horrible because I'm really thirsty right now. Ball, I saw your name tag around here.
I left there.
Oh, okay then. I'm just gonna go sit here and cry. Why are you singing the national anthem?
No, I'm sad.
Oh, say, can you see?
On the toilet,
Do you even know how to sing? Found you! I got you! I got you! I got you!
Can we talk about this?
No! Okay, wait. Come here and we'll talk about it. Okay, wait. Come here. I'm not gonna kill you. See, I don't have my sword in my hand. Look, okay, wait. I want to tell you something, Ball.
No.
I'm gonna tell you a secret before I murder you.
Wait, are you falling?
No. No, come here, Balt. Come here. Balt. Balt. Can't we talk this through?
No,
Come back. Back. Balt. Balt, get your little butt over here. Balt. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you, Balt. Seriously?
I have your 5 hours.
What? Oh! How'd you get? Oh yeah, when you killed me.
I pickpocketed you.
He stole my fire powers. Fire power. What is that from? Bolt. 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 Bolt.
Can we talk about this? Can we
Okay,
please?
wait. We can.
Wait,
Okay.
fire.
Bolt, wait,
Fire,
Bolt.
fire.
Give me your fire.
Fire.
Give me the fire, and I won't kill you.
Fire. Fire power.
Oh wait, pause. Don't move.
No.
Don't move.
Fire
That's
power.
cheating. That's cheating. Stop. Don't move. That's cheating.
Fire power.
We were dying because I hit.
Fire power.
Stop it! You're gonna kill me before I kill you! Ha! I win, and you're right.
Nice.
You're right here. Okay then. Okay. Oh, that looks so cool. It actually looks like you're sleeping in the bed, but it's just a glitch.
No, it's an update. Look, it's an update. Look.
Ooh.
It's like you're in a blanket, and then
Ball.
those are our arms.
Well, I'm watching you sleep. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Torque.
What's in here? Is there anything in here?
No.
Oh no, there's no
My
stuff. I like
bless.
stuff.
Are we gonna do it in second episode or no?
Do you want to?
Do you?
Not really.
My mom says yes.
See, it was just a glitch. Now you're not in there anymore. Oops, I broke it.
No. Now look.
See?
What the? No.
It was just a glitch, dude.
Because I did it the look. If you do it the opposite way, I think it worked.
Nope. Well, see?
No, maybe it was cold, and I put a blanket
Yeah, but you were just cold and you put a little blinky on
on my butthole.
and you look like your neck's broken.
Okay.
Okay, so wait, let's do the outro now. Okay? Hey, don't.
I need to get my revenge. I really need to.
Stop it. Nope.
I said I
Ball,
need to.
Ball, quit it. Ball, we're trying to do the outro
I need
here.
to get my revenge.
Anyways, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Part 2 will be coming out in like,
3 seconds.
adios.
Bye.